Hey guys, good morning. I'm 7th First Lit Meteorologist Kevin Jeans. This afternoon for Saturday, going to be a beautiful day today. One of the coolest days we've had in nearly 2 weeks. Temperatures in the low 70s for an afternoon high. We'll have some cloud cover through the morning, mix of sun and clouds this afternoon, but overall just a really nice day today. Partly sunny, highs around 72, average high 75. Winds will be out of the northeast, just around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, a cool, mostly clear, partly cloudy night. It's going to be cool, though, 58 degrees overnight. Light winds out of the northeast. Now, Sunday brings a chance of showers. We're going to go through, this is Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. A few clouds hanging around, but still a nice day. And then Sunday, late morning, right around midday, showers will be possible, and there could be a thunderstorm, mainly rain showers, I think, though. But this will be around middle of the day Sunday. Could last for a couple of hours or so, and then as the rain shifts out to the east, it should be an overall drier pattern by Sunday evening and then Sunday night. So a chance of midday showers Sunday, otherwise a great weekend. And into next week, temperatures much better, a lot lower than they were this previous week. So temperatures will be in the 70s, mostly sunny Monday. Tuesday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. But beyond that, looks like a pretty nice week. We start to warm up by Wednesday into Thursday and Friday of next week.